Hi, this is an overview of chapter 7, recipe 1 and 2. When you open this solution, you will see two projects. First is the library project, and when you go to dependencies SDK, you will see that's a .NET standard library, and it has a IP reader CS. And you will see we're using system.NET and system.NET sockets, and then the generics collection for this list string, and it has a public method that is my IP address. We have a host name, is the host name, and then pass the host name here, and we have this IP list in the string and loops through the IP list and output. And here inside the Windows classic application, as a Windows application, when you go under references, you will see the library is referenced here. And then in the main form, we double click the main form, you will see a button and a list box. Inside the button code, you will see the class is referenced here, and the list items box is populated with this method, plus we have the libraries directive. Let's execute it. When you click the button, it will list down the IP addresses I have in my current box. This is the chapter 7 overview of this chapter 7, and we have two. Hi, this is the overview of chapter 7, recipe 3 and 4. When you open this solution, you will have two projects. A library project, we'll go to dependencies SDK, this is .NET standard library, and you have this sendmail CS file. It has 4 public properties that will, as a normal email, from to and subject and email address, and you will see system.NET and system.NET mail is referenced here. And then send, we are creating a mail message, and we will be using SMTP client inside .NET Mail, and then credentials you have to input your email password and the server, and here the host name of your SMTP server. And here you will have a WPF application. The main XAML window will look like this. It has this from to at the subject body and a send button. When you open the CS file, we have referenced the mail library, plus under references you will see it's referenced here as well. And the button click code will create the mail object, the send mail class, and then populate all this information, and the mail will be sent. You will see. Let's execute this application. So you can populate this information and then hit the send button, and the mail will be going according to your email address. So whatever the SMTP server you're using, it will be used here. Alright, this is an overview of chapter 7. When you open this, we have two recipes here, the 5th and 6th one. And when you open this solution, you will see two projects, an MVC application project and then the library project. Dependencies SDK, you will see this is a .NET standard library. When you click on this one, you will see the private string classified variable, plus these two are used with the .NET HTTP and the threading. And then we have this constructor, default constructor, this is the URL, and then you're going to see the get post by ID, an integer method. And we will be using a common, like an example REST API for this one. So the URL will be taken here, and the HTTP response message will be written as a string, and this is an string task. And then you go inside, when you see the MVC project, go inside the controllers, home controller, you will see we have referenced the class, and then under references you will see the library is referenced as well. Now we have the service URL. This is a JSON placeholder type code. It's a sample site, we can get information. Now we have the service input in the post reader. This is then the constructor takes a variable, and then we put the ID 1, and then we put the result inside the view bag. And if you go to the views, home, index, you will see we have a for each loop to display the output of this post by the ID let's execute this project. So you will see it says user ID and then the title, and this is coming from directly from the service. You can just have it here. This is the service we have used.